group on Facebook and also through a newsletter format with other chefs. And we're sharing our best practices, and we're sharing what to expect. I am a member of the United States Personal Chef Association, USPCA, the Personal Chef Association, and they have had weekly Zoom meetings for us chefs and keeping up with, you know, the progress of this, and the protocols to follow. And should we be always wearing a mask, always wearing gloves, the 6 feet rule, you know, just, it's incredibly soothing, comforting to have the USPCA being there for us, these weekly Zooms, and having experts talking with us. I'm also